Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You must be signed into the same Apple ID and have the same phone number active. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the iPhone into power so the restore won't stop. Now open WhatsApp. When the app detects an iCloud backup, it will prompt you to restore chat backup. Tap Restore to begin. This pulls messages and media from iCloud into your device. Wait, do not close the app during initial download. Once the restore starts, monitor the download progress carefully because large media can extend time significantly. Make sure you allow WhatsApp to run in background and keep the screen awake. Otherwise, iOS may suspend the transfer. If the restore stalls, go to Settings, your name iCloud, and confirm iCloud Drive is on and WhatsApp has permission. You may need to sign out and back in to refresh credentials. This reauthorization often fixes interrupted transfers and resumes the process smoothly. To finish, check that your chat list appears and that media thumbnails are visible. WhatsApp may still download full media in the background. If something is missing, restart the iPhone and reopen WhatsApp to force media redownloads. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage. Insufficient space can halt restores, so free space or upgrade if required. If errors persist, update iOS and WhatsApp to the latest versions and then attempt the restore again. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.